You did not escape the cage. You only changed the shape of the bars. You closed the physical workshop because you were tired of being trapped by time. Orders, deadlines, rent, labor, pressure. You stepped into the digital world, believing freedom was waiting there.
I can't.
No factory, no boss, no fixed schedule. But in 2026, the new master does not wear a suit. It hides behind a screen. Its name is the algorithm.
No. It's real.
And it does not shout. It whispers through numbers. Views, clicks, traffic, conversion rates. It turns your morning into a dashboard. Your afternoon into a report. Your night into another refresh. You tell yourself this is freedom. But your nervous system knows the truth. You are still being watched. Not by a manager. Not by a customer standing at the door. But by a machine that rewards obsession. Every dip feels personal. Every slow day feels like failure. Every silent notification feels like punishment. This is the lie of passive income. It is not passive when your mind cannot rest. It is silent burnout. A clean digital cage, built from metrics, hope, fear, and endless optimization. You left the old grind to breathe. But now, you cannot even sit still without checking the numbers. You fear that if you look away for 1 hour, the traffic will die. The flow will stop. The empire will collapse.
You have one task.
That is not
The
freedom.
terms are simple. Complete
That is
it.
biological
The consequences
captivity
will be severe.
with better branding. The algorithm feeds on your panic. It rewards speed, volume, reaction, addiction. But you were not built to be a servant of the feed. You were built to command the system. Data is a tool, not a god. Metrics are signals, not sentences. A slow day is not your death. A weak post is not your identity. A falling chart is not a verdict on your worth. You are the architect. The architecture does not own you. So stop worshiping the dashboard. Stop kneeling before the refresh button. Collapse the chaos. One platform. One protocol. One focused block of work. Create with precision. Publish with discipline. Study the data without becoming its prisoner. Then disconnect. Completely. Without guilt. Without apology. Without fear. A master does not stare at the machine all day. A master gives the machine an order, then walks away. Rest is not weakness. Rest is system maintenance. Stillness is not laziness. Stillness is command. When you stop panicking over the numbers lose their power over you. When you stop chasing every signal, your mind becomes signal again. Clear, sharp, unpolluted. The algorithm cannot dominate a nervous system that no longer begs for permission. It cannot enslave a creator who knows when to work, when to stop, and when to disappear. Your peace is not a luxury. It is the highest converting asset you own. Do not sacrifice your mind on the altar of endless optimization. Master the machine, or the machine will master you. Set the boundary. Command the output. Close the screen when the work is done. You are not a content slave. You are not a data point. You are not a desperate servant of traffic. You are a sovereign creator, a builder, a mind with command authority. Breathe. The work is done for today. The cage is broken. Clinical precision. Absolute detachment. Digital sovereignty. Claim your mind. Take the vow. Silence. Heavy drone fades out.